What up, you guys? Gonna do an unboxing of the Hover Air X1. It's like a camera drone that follows you. Super lightweight. Just picked it up on Amazon recently. I'll put a link in the description if you're interested. But quick little unboxing. Pretty small, lightweight box. There's the front, or the top. In the front, you can see unopened. There, one side says 00 Robotics. The back has the color. I chose the black. It comes in black or white. This side says Hover, and on the back it says where it's manufactured in China. Cool, thanks. And I'm gonna open it up. Let's see what we got in here. Alright, opening it up right here. Wow, this looks really nice. And I did get the combo pack. So I got the Hover Air X1 right here. And it comes with the battery charging hub. And I went with the 2 extra batteries right here at the top. So it's pretty nice the way they have it set up like that. Let's take those out. Here's the front cover of it. Shows it all opened up. On the back it shows it all folded, which is really cool, convenient, you can bring it wherever. 00 Robotics on the side, Hover on the other side, some warnings, and where it's manufactured right there. So that's one box. Next we have the battery charging hub right there. Alright. And then we have the 2 batteries. Wanted to make sure I had enough battery life. I didn't want to have to wait and charge if I'm out and about. And that's everything. Alright, and it's like one of these sliding cases over top of it. Sliding that off. There's a nice Hover. Nice thick box, it's nice. Looks like we have there. Let's take a look, see what this is first. Probably, yeah, quick start guide inside here. Well, that's all that's really inside this little quick start guide. All wrapped up. Next we have a little before your first flight, little quick start guide in English and Chinese. Closer so you can see that. Quick start guide. And then the actual Hover Air X1 itself right there. Super small, which is awesome. Super light, wow. About the size of my hand. Super light. See all the functions. I'll have to do another video with a review and everything. Oh, the camera's right there. Really cool. And what else is in here? Looks like a pouch and a cable potentially. That's where the little picture right there shows a pouch and cable. It has a little compartment, opens up, and yep, there's a pouch and cable. Really nicely packaged. This is really nice, quality-wise. Folded up pouch. There. It says Hover on it. Drawstring pouch. And an extra cable. USB-C. USB on it and everything. And that's my unboxing video of the Hover Air X1. If you're interested in picking this up, I'll put a link in the description. I grabbed it on Amazon when they have one of their lightning deals. So, yeah, super excited to try this thing out.
What's it look like?
Alright, thanks you guys.
What's it look like? What's it look like?
Right there.
Oh my god.
Just going to show you it real quick. And you open it up. Pretty awesome. The camera's right there in front. And if you did move one end, it does move the other side, I noticed, which is cool. There's the functions. super small, super lightweight, and can't wait to try this thing out. Alright, later you guys. I see you, baby.